So if I take these things into perspective, and I'm not looking at another 3 to 6 months, of course they are going to be important because we'll have the budget unfolding and there's going to be a lot of expectation, populist or otherwise, etc., etc. But my belief is that yes, there are going to be opportunities to start getting invested.
All right. Flashes there on your screens. Biocon, they're entering into an options agreement with Bristol Myers. The stock yesterday did well for itself, was up about 4% in the session. Should get more details with regards to what exactly is that options agreement as of now. It's regards to the oral insulin drug. That's the options accord for the oral insulin drug that they've signed with Bristol Myers. More details.
There should be a licensing agreement, simply put. I mean, option agreement is just a licensing agreement. And this is the oral insulin drug which they had an agreement with Pfizer for. That got terminated in March 2012. That was a big overhang. I mean, they had already taken a lot of money in, and then the agreement got signed. When 500 crores worth of licensing money was on the books of Biocon, which they've been setting off ever since over the last couple of quarters against actual R&D expenses. So, this could be significant. I mean, oral insulin, and we've put that question to Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw every quarter. Is essentially the trigger, at least for the stock. It's the trigger. It's a big one in terms of what it holds. But we'll get some more details. Bristol Myers is a global pharma giant. We'll have more details on this one. Looks like some good news for Biocon finally. Let's actually try and put Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw right now on the phone line and get you some details. Usually they give out some indication of the milestone payments, what kind of numbers, is there anything upfront that Biocon will take in, etc., etc. So most likely there would be some of that stuff, so we'll get that out. Let's take a quick break here. There's about 10 minutes to go for the pre-open session.